In this video, we are going to discuss relative velocity in a plane. Consider two bodies A and B whose velocities are vector VA and vector VB, and they are making angle theta with each other. Now, velocity of A with respect to B equal to velocity of A minus velocity of B. All these things will be in vector form. Now, just shift VA here. VA को हम यहाँ शिफ्ट कर देते हैं and let VA is vector VA is represented by vector OP, and just shifting VB here without changing the magnitude and direction of the VB, and let OQ is representing vector VB. Theta is the angle between these two velocities. Now, vector VAB equal to vector VA minus vector VB. That is, vector VAB equal to vector VA plus minus times vector VB. This is vector VB. For minus, let OQ dash is representing minus VB vector, right? Then applying parallelogram law of vector addition, this OS will be the vector VA minus vector VB, and that is equal to VAB. Right? Now, VAB equal to under root VA square plus VB square plus twice VA VB and angle between this vector, these two vectors. That is, whole angle is 180 degree. This is theta. This will be how much? 180 minus theta. This will be cos 180 minus theta. That is VAB equal to VA square plus VB square minus twice VA VB cos theta, because cos 180 minus theta equal to minus cos theta. Clear? This is the magnitude of the relative velocity of A with respect to B. Now, what will be the direction of velocity of A with respect to B, that is VAB? इस VAB की डायरेक्शन क्या होगी? Now, direction of VAB with A, let this angle be alpha, then tan alpha equal to VB sin 180 minus theta divided by VA plus VB cos 180 minus theta, and this is equal to tan alpha equal to VB sin theta divided by VA minus VB cos theta. That is alpha equal to tan inverse VB sin theta divided by VA minus VB cos theta. Now we are going to discuss velocity of B with respect to A. Now velocity of B with respect to A equal to VB minus VA, all in vector form. So now draw OP, this is vector OP equal to vector VA, and this is OQ, this is vector VB. Now we have to calculate vector VBA equal to vector VB minus vector VA. To get minus VA, draw a vector whose magnitude is equal to the vector VA and direction is just opposite to it. This is OQ dash is representing minus vector VA, and by applying the law of parallelogram, resultant of VB and minus vector VA is given as this vector OS will give the vector VBA, and mathematically now this angle is as usual it is as theta. Now VBA equal to VB square plus VA square plus 2 VB VA cos 180 minus theta. This whole angle is 180 degree. This is theta. This will be 180 minus theta. Clear? Now cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta, then VBA equal to VB square plus VA square minus 2 VB VA cos theta, and this angle tan beta, that is the angle made by resultant with minus VA, equal to VB sin 180 minus theta divided by VA plus VB cos 180 minus theta, and this is tan beta equal to VB sin theta divided by VA minus VB cos theta. Thank you.